A while ago, Geely unveiled its Farazon Homtruck electric commercial vehicle for the first time. And naturally, there was a lot of skepticism. A lot of people were saying mean comments. It's not real. Nice CGI, bro. And a lot of people were amazed. I mean, how does a Chinese car company come out with an electric truck so fast? And today, we get to drive it. Okay, as you may have guessed, the name is a combination of home and truck. Homtruck. Homtruck is one of the most aerodynamic trucks on the market today. Its drag coefficient is only 0.351. On this model, we have a very bespoke trailer. The production version will have a flatbed for taking containers, or you can have a different kind of enclosed trailer. But let's quickly talk about the power. So on this model, this one is pure electric, and in the future, Geely are looking at making this battery swappable. So you'd be able to drive in, and the truck would lift up and the battery would go in. And then the other option is a range extender, so a small engine up at the front powering the rear batteries, or they're even looking at a methanol version as well, making this thing one of the cleanest trucks on the road. What makes it a home? Let me tell you. Handily, the Homtruck has a built-in washing machine. So you'll be able to wash all your clothes in here. That's the washroom done. Now let's go over to the other side. Press this down, pop it open. And under here we have a small kitchen that you can pull out. You have water, you have an induction heater. And here you have a pan, so you can start cooking. Let's check out the interior. All right, this is a bit of a climb. Pull, pull, pull. Wow, this is the Homtruck. All right, I'm gonna start the Homtruck. There we go. Okay, everything's lighting up. That's so cool. My full range is 1,200 kilometers. I've got 647 kilometers electric range remaining. So obviously 1,200 kilometers would be all of that. Now I've got 647. A blind spot monitoring here as well. So driver can see through the rear wing mirrors from this side and this side. And then on this screen, we have the GPS route. It's downloading all of the data now, so it's highlighting any dangerous routes that we might want to avoid in the city. All of the weather along the way. So cool. Driver monitoring camera, so it can tell if you're tired. We have all of the music system up here as well. All of the hotels, places I can park, weather. Wow. And even charging stations. Up here we have another screen, so now it's telling me I can go into a train with other drivers. Obviously this is a concept, some things aren't fully working yet. This is the coolest part. It has fingerprint recognition to start the truck just in case anybody steals it. So here we have a little tea table. Cheers. Oh. Okay, back here in the Homtruck we have a shower. They've got everything here. There's a sink that folds up into the wall. Cabinet back here. You can store all of your soaps, your toothbrushes, towels. You get into the back, you can push this. Usually it's a sofa, but then with a little bit of magic and a reorganizing of these cushions, you can actually turn it into a full-size bed. So yeah, you can have a sleep as well while you're on the road. And of course the roof is glass, so you can look at the stars. It's actually really relaxing. And if you don't want to look at the stars, up here we've got an iPad that can double as a TV. And these things actually pull out so you can hang your hat before you go to sleep. Do you mind? I'm just gonna have a quick nap. Under here there is a refrigerator, so you can keep all of your cold drinks, cold vegetables in here. Close that one up. On top we have a table. In here we have a drinks holder that pops out. We also have a wireless charging pad for your cell phone. These are all shelves made out of wood, kind of like a modern interpretation of a glove box. This car is fully connected, and that doesn't just mean fully connected to 5G. That means fully connected to Geely's future satellite program. Now, Geely have committed to launching 500 satellites that will cover the entirety of China, allowing for cars to be connected to infrastructure. And that means that cars will be able to talk to each other in the future and not just rely on simple cameras to do autonomous driving. They will be connected through a super brain, and one of the first commercial vehicles to take benefit of that would be this car, the Homtruck. The Homtruck will be hitting the roads firstly in China and then globally soon afterwards. So let's hit the road and get on the way. There we are. Choo choo! Choo choo!
What did you think of the Geely Homtruck? Got any suggestions or advice? Let us know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe.